holding it?
Yeah.
Well, okay. So today's joke of the day is, my boss told me to have a good day, so I went home. Hey. We have Bradley walking very slowly to the dumpster, and then Shadow! She's probably drinking gas, and I don't know what that is, but I am amazing!
It's the next day, well, actually a few days later, and we're getting ready to go get an 8430 we bought. We're gonna go get it. You saw in the last few clips, we went out to Sigel, Illinois to my 6030 and picked up a 4620. We're gonna use that tractor for parts. You saw us taking the cab off and everything like that. So we're going to get this 8430. We bought it. We're going to clean it up, and I'm not sure exactly what we're going to use it for, but it'll be a nice tractor. So I guess you guys will see that loaded up and washing it off here in a little bit. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is the 8430 we just bought. I'm inside here. It already blew out the cab. I'm gonna have to wash it and clean the floor off, detail back here, because it's a mess in here. We're also gonna have to wash the outside because there's like bird poop and stuff you probably can't see, but there's a bunch of bird poop and stuff. I didn't really get any footage of unloading it and loading it, but wasn't really much. We just drove it on the trailer, so wasn't really much there. I just took out the cab air filter, and it was like full of dust. So we will replace that one, and then we'll replace the other filters and replace the oil filters and fuel filters and stuff. So let's see how many hours are on this tractor, and I'll show you. Okay, so it has 2,884.8 hours. Not too many hours on it. It doesn't have the climate track, like where it has the screen and stuff there, but that's okay. It just has the little knob thing down here, which is fine. But it's overall a nice tractor. We'll have to fix the mirror there. I think the other mirror here we'll have to fix, but nothing major with it. It's a good tractor, so we'll see how it does, and I'll get you a little bit of washing this off. I'm going to start washing this off right now, and then we'll put it in the shop, and we'll change the oil and stuff like that, and I'll detail in here, and hopefully you guys see a big difference. So let's get started. Okay guys, it's the next day of this video. I'm right here working on the 8430. I'm cleaning out the cab right now. It needed to clean out. Here's the floor mat right here. I just ripped that out. Well, I didn't really rip it out. I just took it out. Then I took out the second floor mat there, and I've just been working on vacuuming out the bottom here. It's just dust everywhere. There's nothing really majorly wrong in here. Just this piece of upholstery over here, it's all peeling off, so we'll get a new one of those. And I'll just have to work on the back here. Just needs cleaned. We got the outside cleaned yesterday. It looks pretty good. I'll take it out here and show you. We did find one more problem. The 3 lights right here. So there's the 2 on the inside, like the two middle ones, and then the one on the outside there, one on the outside over here, and the middle one, they all go together. So the two right here come on, but the three, they don't come on. So we're gonna have to work on that, and we're gonna paint these because they're kind of faded. But that's pretty much it. What I'm doing. This thing actually has like brand new tires on here. You can see like the little ridge there where tires are like brand new. You can even see the number on the tread. So that's cool that it has brand new tires on it. We got this all washed off pretty good yesterday. It looks really good. It does have a weight in there. I think all of them have the weight in there, but then it has a wheel weight on the outside. It looks pretty good. There's this one piece of tar right here, like right there. I'll have to get off, but I'm gonna wax this after I get the interior cleaned out. So like if I make any dust or anything, it won't like get on the wax surface. So to wash this mat right here, I'm just gonna take it outside and just pressure wash it, because that'll probably be the easiest way to do it. Because it's just gonna save me a lot of time rather than just scrubbing on it with a rag and stuff. So I'll work on that, and it should be pretty clean. I'm gonna let that dry while I work on the rest of the cab. So I'm about halfway through. I got all this cleaned off. It looks decent. Looks super clean to it. Looks pretty good. Went all the way around back there and there. And I actually cleaned off a little bit back here too. So it looks pretty good. But now I just have to get some detailer and do all this over here. And then I'll redo this back here. And it should look pretty good after that. So let's see. I'll just show you this. So this is what I use right here. Interior detailer, just Lucas oil. Okay, so I got this all cleaned up in here. Now, got all this cleaned back here. All this over here. Floor is cleaned. This is cleaned, and all this cleaned. Clean down in here. I put these little things back in. I had to clean up here around the gasket on the door. Now I just need to clean the windows. I'll do that last. So now I'm just gonna start waxing on here. So it should look pretty good after I do that. There's a few things I need to get. We'll get some stuff for it tomorrow, like these mirrors. I think that'll be it. It's looking pretty good though.
So hey everybody, it's Cody here. And we got Bradley cleaning the windows on the new 8430. And my dad is bringing the 4620 down to the lean-to put in with the manure spreader. And Bradley he wants to wax the tractor.
No, we are going to.
But I think waxing is a waste of time.
All right, let's prove it.
Because I do not like waxing. Come to the point is a waste of time.
No.
It is.
No. Alright guys, thanks for watching. You'll probably see a little bit more of waxing the 8430 in the next video, but this was kind of getting it started to clean up and getting it here and stuff. So hope you enjoyed. Check us out on Instagram at Household Farms, and I'll see you in the next video.